In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update inventory in Shopify 2025. If you want accurate stock levels across your store, fulfillment, and sales channels, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to go and what to change. Start by opening your Shopify admin. From the left-hand menu, click Products to see everything you sell. Next, open the Inventory view. This is the central place where you'll make updates to stock for each product and variant. On the inventory page, make sure you're looking at the correct location. If your business has multiple locations or warehouses, use the location selector at the top to focus on the place where the stock physically sits. Inventory is tracked per location, so choosing the right one matters. You'll see several columns that are helpful to understand. Available is what customers can buy right now. Committed is reserved for open orders and can't be changed here. On hand is the total physically in that location, and incoming is what's on the way from purchase orders or transfers. Unavailable covers items you can't sell, such as damaged or quarantined units. Typically, you'll update the available or on-hand values, depending on how you manage counts. Now work down the list and click each highlighted field you want to change. When a quantity cell becomes editable, type the correct number based on your latest count. Then move to the next highlighted product or variant and repeat. If you sell variants, like sizes or colors, double-check the variant name or SKU so you're editing the exact item you intend. Continue clicking through each highlighted field, adjusting the quantities one by one. For items that are sold out, set the value to 0 to prevent overselling. For items you've just restocked, enter the new total you physically have on the shelf. As you go, keep an eye on how changes affect the related columns. For example, increasing on-hand while you have committed units will reduce what's immediately available until those orders are fulfilled. If you don't see a column you rely on, use the column controls in the view to confirm you're seeing the details you need. After you've finished all your updates, click Save in the top right corner. Give the page a moment to process, then review a few products to confirm the numbers look right. Your changes will now sync to your storefront and connected sales channels, helping you avoid overselling and customer disappointment. That's it. Your Shopify